Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Thursday flagged off a fleet of 95 new police vehicles at the police officers' mess Golflink, Shillong in a major push to bolster the operational readiness and mobility of the Meghalaya Police. Director General of Police, Ida Shisha Nongrang, senior officials and police personnel attended the program. Officials informed that 79 of the vehicles were procured under the Centre's Assistance to State Police scheme. The fleet acquired at an estimated cost of nearly 30 crore includes Maruti Jimneys, troop carriers, mini trucks and Tata Yodha vehicles for the CID wing. Addressing the gathering, Sangma said maintaining law and order remains a top governance priority and asserted that the government has intensified police modernization initiatives through infrastructure upgrades, recruitment drives and enhanced mobility support. The Chief Minister also lauded the police force for maintaining peace and exercising restraint during recent tensions in Lapangap, West Jaintia Hills amid the interstate boundary issue with Assam. The program culminated with the ceremonial flagging of the vehicles aimed at strengthening policing and emergency response mechanisms across the state.
Today we have given an additional 95 vehicles to the police force to be distributed in different districts, and this is in continuation with our state government's commitment to ensure that we are able to maintain law and order and support our police forces and enhance their capability and strength. So whether it's manpower, recruitment, whether it's the infrastructures at the grassroots level in outposts and police stations, whether it is training of our police force, or whether it is logistical support like vehicles and also different ammunition and other equipments that are required. In all areas, our government has been supporting the police force to enhance their capability so that they are able to perform their duties in a much more efficient manner, which will ultimately, of course, benefit the people of our state.